Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So a quick introduction on the new teaching framework for the courses. I've split the courses into 6 levels. We have the Qigong course to start with, and then there's Intrinsic Energies, and the prerequisite for Intrinsic Energies is the Qigong course, so everyone starts there. Then we have the initiation program, going through the Initiation of Hermetics text. We go through selected exercises within that text, focusing mostly on clairsentience, but we do touch on the other faculties as well. To get people through, you can use one tuning fork of clairsentience to get a base level of progress all the way through the 10 steps, and then you double back and do more clairvoyance, clairaudience, the other faculties as well. So we take that approach. So we don't cover every exercise in that workshop. All the workshops are 40 hours, so we get as much done in that 40 hours as we can. Then the fourth workshop is going into evocation. So we go through the planetary spheres, connecting through Akash to the light of each sphere and selected deities from within each sphere. Then the fifth course is Kabbalah, and with the Kabbalah we're going through all the single letters, covering the sounds, getting the vital, astral, mental and Akashic qualities so that people are in a position where they can continue to practice that on their own. The sixth course is teacher training, so the different types of magic circles, how to enliven space for people to have accelerated learning, and we go through a whole series of exercises in that 40-hour program for teachers who are wanting to teach. So these 6 courses, they're stream. The Intrinsic Energies is optional. It's not a prerequisite for Hermetics and the other courses. So that's more for martial artists, as my original student base is martial arts teachers, and most people were coming to the workshops for that particular topic. So I've put that in there. But definitely the Qigong is a prerequisite for Hermetics and all the other workshops. So do them as a stream, with the second course, Intrinsic Energies, being an option whether you want to do that or not. Now, the Vimeo is being organized into these 6 channels. So if you're subscribing to Vimeo, start with the Qigong channel and then move through from there, with the Intrinsic Energies being, if that's what you're interested in. The original channel is on Qigong, so there's many hundreds and hundreds of videos there on that, and all the topics started on that channel, so I touch on a whole range of topics there. It's not just the Qigong. Then when that channel became quite full, I started the Intrinsic Energies. Originally, most of my clients were Tai Chi teachers, so we had a Tai Chi emphasis, but I don't do traditional Tai Chi per se. I teach metaphysics, and I use Tai Chi as a way of connecting the bodies together and training energy and generating metrics that are measurable for your development. So it's by no means traditional, but we do cover the intrinsic energies of Tai Chi and other internal martial arts in that Vimeo channel. Then the Hermetics channel, that's pretty well established, and I've covered a whole series of exercises through there, and they're already available. We're currently, at the time of making this video, working on the evocation channel, and we're recording from the workshops and putting them online. And once that is starting to fill up, then we'll do the Kabbalah and the teachers channels as well. So when you're looking where to start, go to the Qigong and start there and go through. Now, originally when I started these channels, they were a reference library for people who are attending my workshops. So they're framed in such a way that they'd already learnt the information. They wanted to recite that information through watching the videos again and watching videos from other workshops, because each workshop I present everything a little bit differently based on the audience that is there. So when you're going onto that channel, you'll realize it's a reference library. And what I've asked my students to do is put everything into playlists, but Vimeo doesn't allow me to do that. So Jake Sen, who helped me put together the backdoor into Hermetics text, he's created a channel called Mystery College. And Mystery College, he's creating mind maps of the videos, playlists, he's organizing them into different streams so that you can get on a topic and go through a whole range of videos on one topic. So at the moment, he's putting that together, and by the time you watch this video, there's a good chance that he's already got it online. If you're more taking the Marshall angle for all this, the Marshall Man website also has all my videos there, and he has an online community, forum, and so forth. So you can chat about the Marshall training and concepts more on that channel. So depending what your angle is, Mystery College is more for the Hermeticist, and the Marshall Man is for the martial artist. The Mystery College will have a large amount of notes and other videos and other information there as well that Jake's putting together, and he'll also have other teachers there. So that'll be more for the intellectual community who's looking at things from a very hermetic point of view. There'll be, Jake doesn't teach the intrinsic energies and so forth, so that's not his interest, where the Marshall Man community is much more in the martial direction. So when you look at Vimeo itself, of course you can just subscribe straight onto Vimeo and access everything there. But it's going to be whether you like the way Vimeo presents the videos and offers them to you. And you can make a comparison the way Mystery College offers them and the Marshall Man. And if there's any other people who have been training with me who are putting it on their websites and making these available, I'll put those links in the description of these courses so you can see which doorway into this works best for you. It's going to be really up to your feeling and the way you like to access the videos and so forth. Whether you're on Vimeo or going through one of the other providers, for me it makes no difference. You're getting the information, you're benefiting. I'm happy with that. Okay, if you have any questions about this, my email will be in the description. Just drop me an email and I can let you know. The workshops are becoming more available now through students. So on my website, markrasmus.org, I'll have links to other people's websites who will be offering the workshops because I won't be teaching as much as I used to, and there'll be more countries in which it'll be available if you want to attend a workshop and learn this information. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Take care, and see you on Vimeo.